Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have another delicious recipe for you. But first, if you found this video without subscribing, that is awesome. Welcome aboard to our Curry Crew. But why don't you just go down there and click subscribe so that you can see every video that we post twice a week. Now, for today's recipe, we're gonna be making a delicious paneer burger, which is very similar to the McPaneer that you can get in McDonald's in India, but we're bringing it over to the United States today. So it's gonna taste awesome. It already smells amazing in the kitchen. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into our recipe. So guys, step one will be to cut our paneer into 2-inch thick squares, and now we're going to begin our marination process. So first we're going to sprinkle onto our paneer a pinch of salt all over 3 of our patties, and next we're going to add some red chili powder or cayenne, and we want a decent amount. However, if you don't want it to be too spicy, you can use less or you can use none if you don't want it any spicy at all. Now we're also going to apply it to both sides, not just one. And next we're going to apply some chaat masala. And once again, we're going to sprinkle the masala on both sides of our patties. Next, we're also going to apply some green chili paste to each paneer patty that we're making, as well as some garlic paste to all 3 of our patties. Then last but not least, we're also going to grate in some fresh ginger onto our paneer. Now, all of these spices will give us a delicious and tasty patty for our burgers. Now the time comes for us to get our hands dirty. So take each paneer patty and rub in all of our spices and pastes all over the patties until they are well coated. The salt in the spice mixture is going to help to draw out all of the moisture in the paneer, and this will allow us to coat the paneer with the batter more easily and also have a great texture on our burger patties once we cook them. So once you're done rubbing on the marinade, we're going to let the paneer sit out for about 20 to 30 minutes. You don't need to put it in the fridge. You can leave it at room temperature to just effectively draw out all of the moisture. Meanwhile, let's work on our batter. So into a mixing bowl, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, half a tablespoon of chaat masala, half a tablespoon of red chili powder or cayenne, half a tablespoon of black pepper, salt to taste, and 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala. Give it all a quick mix until all of our spices are evenly spread throughout the flour. Now, to bind our batter together, we're going to use water, but we're only going to add it in a little bit at a time. So add in a little bit of water and then use a whisk to start mixing the batter together. Keep adding water and whisking until you're left with a smooth, clump-free batter that resembles a cake batter in its consistency. As you can see here, this is what the final batter should look like. So now set the batter aside and let's work on our burger sauce. So we're going to be making a nice and tangy sauce. So you're going to start off with 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, and then into this you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of spicy mustard, half a tablespoon of ketchup, and half a tablespoon of sriracha. Give it all a nice mix until you have a uniform, delicious burger sauce. By now our paneer should be marinated enough, so let's move on to making our patties. So take the paneer and dip it into your batter until it is well coated all around, and then we're going to let the excess batter drip off. Next, we're going to coat our battered paneer with some breadcrumbs. Then once that's done, you're going to fry up your paneer patty in hot oil until it is nice and golden brown. So you might want to heat up the oil prior to the battering and coating process. Once your paneer is done, you can remove it from the hot oil and allow it to cool on a paper towel. You're looking for a golden brown color on the outside of the paneer. While the paneer cools down, you can start toasting up some burger buns until they are nice and golden and ready for assembly. Once the buns are ready, we are now ready to start assembling our final burger. So take the bottom half of your bun and apply a generous amount of your burger sauce. Next, top the bun with some nice crisp iceberg lettuce, and then comes our delicious paneer patty. Then we're going to top our patty with some fresh red onions. That's going to add a nice bit of spice, but also a nice crunch to our burger. And of course, you can't have a burger without having a nice helping of shredded cheese on top. Last but not least, we're also going to apply some more of our burger sauce to the top bun, and we're going to top our burger, which will complete our awesome paneer burger, also known as the McPaneer. So now, this not only looks awesome, but I'm sure that it's going to taste amazing as well. So let's head over to the taste zone so I can dig right in. So guys, here's our final dish. It looks amazing. It smells absolutely awesome. So I am going to dig right in. As you can see, that cross section, it looks beautiful in there. So I'm not gonna wait, I'm gonna dig right into this delicious burger. When I don't talk for a long time, that's how you know it tastes so good. You guys definitely need to try this out for yourself. I'm not even gonna like hype it up that much because it's so amazing. If you haven't tried this recipe, you haven't lived. So you guys need to try this out for yourself. Let us know how it turns out for you. I know you're gonna love it for sure, but try it out, let me know how it turns out, and keep on cooking.